Zombie apocalypse.
Incredible facts about Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the Earth planet. The Amazon is an incredibly unique place, and the world's largest tropical rainforest. Let's learn more about this special region in this video. Before that, if you are new to this channel, and you love learning about people, places, history, mystery, cultures, and countries all around the world, then just don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. The Amazon rainforest is located in South America and spreads over 5.5 million square kilometers. And it is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It covers 6% of the Earth's surface. The extremely rich ecosystem of the Amazon is the shelter for thousands of plant species, bird species, 2,200 types of fish, mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and 2.5 million different types of insects. Animals living in the Amazon are bizarre and deadly, like pink dolphins, green anacondas, poison dart frogs, bullet ants, electric eels and flesh-eating piranhas. They will give you nightmare with their deadly behaviors. The Amazon River, which runs through the Amazon rainforest, is the world's second longest river, after the Nile. Around 500 Amerindian tribes live in the Amazon rainforest. Around 50 of them have their own language and culture and have never had contact with the outer world. Around 80% of the food we eat actually comes from rainforests. Some of the more popular examples include coffee, chocolate, rice, tomatoes, potatoes, bananas, black pepper, and corn. Amazon has lost 20% of its size in recent years because of deforestation. Experts predict that the rainforest could be completely gone in just 40 years if no action is taken. 70% of the plants from the Amazon rainforest are being used as ingredients in Western medicines. When it rains on the Amazon, it takes around 10 minutes for the water to reach the land. This is because the forest is so thick. The Amazon rainforest provides Earth with 20% of its oxygen supply. It acts like a giant air purifier, constantly taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Experts say that the rainforest could die in just 100 years because of the climate changes. It is not a prediction. It's happening. Let's join hands and save the Mother Nature. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. We'll catch you up in the next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell.